विश्व में हमने युवाओं की IT एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बात के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साफ मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, IT plus IT is equal to IT. Information technology plus Indian talent is equal to India tomorrow.
Hello and welcome everyone. This is Harshal Desai on behalf of eHealth Magazine and Elets Technomedia Private Limited. I welcome you all to Elets Radiology and Imaging Summit, which is being hosted on 23rd and 24th June 2021. This is the second edition of Elets Radiology and Imaging Summit that we are hosting, and we thank all our speakers and partners for the same, for the support that we have received from them. In this particular session, which is an industry perspective, we are going to listen from an eminent speaker from the industry. Please put your hands together for Mr. Udit Satija, National Sales Manager, FFDM and New Business at Fujifilm. Welcome, Mr. Udit Satija, to Elets Radiology and Imaging Summit.
Good morning and thank you, Mr. Harshal. It's a great opportunity to be there at Elets platform for showcasing our new product range and the portfolio. Here I go with the sharing.
Thank you. Yes. I request you to please start the presentation, Mr. Satija.
Yes.
Thank you.
Can I get a confirmation if my screen is visible now?
Yes. The screen is visible. We can see the screen.
Okay, fine. Good morning once again to everyone. Here I go with the presentation of our new product portfolio. Fujifilm has been their leader in the diagnostic imaging business earlier as well. Now with the addition of the new products, we intend to be a one-stop solution for our customers. We have recently introduced CT and MRI product range, which is mainly FCT Speedia HT, Scenario View, and in MRI we have Echelon Smart. So we have previously also been global leader in products like CR, digital radiography, healthcare informatics, endoscopy, ultrasound, laboratory equipment, especially point of care ultrasound, point of care dry chemistry analyzers, digital mammography, CR mammography, as well as flat panel detectors. Same thing we have followed up even in the domestic market. We have emerged as #1 player in a CR and imager business throughout the country, as well as DR. We have a substantial share of around 40%, while in PACS we are among the top vendor when international vendors are compared. In the dry chemistry analyzers, we have some kind of a niche solution. We have more than 350 installations. In X-ray films, as you might be aware, Fujifilm has almost 50% market share in India. And we have been continually growing our digital mammography segment with a current installation of 62 units and many more coming up. With this, we have also emerged as #1 player in the digital mammography segment as far as the last 3 years sales are concerned. Now we have, with the addition of CTs from ranging from 16 slice, 32 slice, 64 slice, and 128 slice, we again are trying to fulfill our goal to be the leader in the digital imaging business. This CT has a gantry aperture of 75 centimeter and is equipped with 5 MHU X-ray tube. The same can be installed in a very limited space. As you can see, it comprises of only 3 modules. One is your gantry, as you can see here, and patient table. Then third component is your control or console panel. So we have premium end series known by the name Scenario View, which is also termed as cardiac series. Earlier was mainly for the general radiology, while this will be more serving for high-end applications like dual energy. It has side sliding tabletop, which gives you access, especially in case of patients with a cardiac offset errors. So in those cases, you can position the heart absolutely in the center of the visual field area. So we have certain features equipped in this machine called like IntelliEC, which helps you to reduce the radiation dose throughout the cycle, while you increase radiation dose only during the diastolic phase of the examination. So helping you to reduce the radiation dose by almost 53%, while having the reference level still at 77%. Now, in the MRI segment, we have 1.5 Tesla MRI with a supercon magnet, which is equipped with a very bore aperture of 60 centimeter with a gradient coil strength of 33 millitesla per meter, while slew rate is 130 Tesla per meter per second, which is having also 16 channel coils as a standard on the RF receiver side. So Ashland Smart is one of the, you can say, balanced system in terms of performance and the cost. We aim to go within the market within the next 2 months with this product. And our all CT and MRI will have an option to be procured along with the Synapse 3D workstation, which was already there with the Fujifilm product, within the Fujifilm product range. It has several advanced application options that includes like cardiac package as well. I will be explaining some of them here in little detail here. I hope like in the coronary analysis, we have fully automatic extraction, segmentation, and labeling of the vessels featured available. It allows us to measure stenosis and even allows us to for the manual extraction if required. It has also a feature to measure the plaque, while in a cardiac function, we have automatic manual extraction of left right ventricle available with bullseye display, DICOM structured reporting, myocardial mapping, ejection fraction measurement as long as the patient height and weight are fitted in it. Now, we also have a measurement for ROI calculations along the short axis. Further, in the aortic wall analysis, we offer the possibility of CT simulation for TAVI for both aortic and mitral wall analysis. As you can see here, now in the cardiac TX function, here we support both T1 and T2 perfusion. We have multiple tools available for like T1 MOLI mapping. Now we have multiple tools also available for like sequence myocardial tissue characterization, tools for iron quantification, calcium scoring, cardiac fusion, MR flow, and various other things. Now, in the time of COVID, it has become very much concern for the patients and even for the doctors, that even for the radiographers and all, that radiation dose in CT is very high or so. So there is a perception like people are afraid of getting CT done at times, and the fear is somewhat natural. However, with Fujifilm Pixel Shine technology, we have developed an algorithm, which is an analytical image processing algorithm, capable of reducing the radiation dose such that this, firstly, this solution is also CE and FDA approved, and probably the first of its kind to get a CE and FDA approval. the solution which works in such a way, it helps you reduce the radiation dose to such a level that is it's almost equivalent to a normal 2D X-ray. As you can see, zero point 0.1 millisieverts radiation acquired with FCT pixel shine. With this technology, we are aiming to develop some AI algorithm for COVID purpose as well, which will be launched very shortly. It will help with the COVID screening purpose. Now, this also helps you to increase the tube lifespan. As you know that in X-ray tubes, they have a limited lifespan. Same goes for the tube used in the CT scan. So with the help of pixel shine, since you are able to reduce the radiation dose, you can further elongate the life of the X-ray tube. Additionally, we have come up with a solution which helps you to take X-rays anywhere. Especially, it's a very compact X-ray what we have introduced recently. It's a hand-carried X-ray. We call it an ultra-portable X-ray that can be taken anywhere. And it's also having an AI option for TB screening especially. So looks like a camera, and the weight is only 3.5 kg. It comes with a flat panel detector weighing 2.3 kg and an AI box of 1 kg. Now, we have already executed such projects in several countries with Exia for remote screening camps and remote TB screening camps or critical care point of care applications. Now, the focus of the applications here is going to be very large and very different from the routine X-ray. As you see, the radiation, the KV operation and the radiation is definitely going to be very low. What we have generally experienced, the radiation range somewhere around 0.35 millisieverts, 0.36 millisieverts from the exposure side. So this is the product, and these are the three components what comes along with it. And we have these certain types globally to expand the reach for this product portfolio. We have been doing certain TB screening camps in association with Stop TB Partnership and various other organizations across the globe. Further, we would like to thank you, Elets, for giving us the opportunity to speak at their platform, at this wonderful platform, and be a part of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Udit Satija, National Sales Manager, FFDM, and New Business at Fujifilm. Thank you so much for that presentation. We are really we appreciate you taking time out and presenting on this wonderful platform. As a token of appreciation, we would like to present a certificate of participation to you, Mr. Udit Satija, for sharing valuable inputs and expertise at Second Radiology and Imaging Summit. So with this, we shall formally close this session here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.